This is the video for the extra example from section 9.2. Right below example 4, we have an extra example about how much do you read. And so that's what this one's going to be about. It says, a recent Gallup poll asked 1,006 Americans during the past year about how many books, either hardcover or paperback, did you read either all or part of the way through. Results of the survey indicated that X bar was 13.4 books, and the sample standard deviation is 16.6 books. Construct a 99% confidence interval for the mean number of books that Americans read either all or part of the way through, and then interpret the interval. So, same set of steps. Step 1 is to always check your assumptions. N is greater than 30 in this situation because N is 1,006. So that's all we have to do to say that this sample can be normally distributed. So step 1 was easy. Step 2, find the critical value, T star. So we need the confidence level, which is 99% confidence, which leaves an alpha of 0.01, and we always cut that in half, so it's 0.005. And our degrees of freedom is 1,005. So our sample is 1,006, degrees of freedom always one less than that. So if I look in my chart, my degrees of freedom count by ones until 40, and then they start skipping. All the way at the bottom we have 1,000. That's as close as we're going to get to 1,005, and that's okay. Then we find our tail of 0.005 down to 1,000, 0.005, 2.581 is the critical value. Alright, so my T star, or T of alpha over 2, is 2.581. Alright, now we're going to make our interval. So I like to set it up. What did we say our X bar was? X bar is 13.4, S of X 16.6. So we have 13.4 plus or minus critical value times S of X over the square root of the sample size. And you can put all that in the calculator, or you can use the calculator function, stat, tests again, down to T interval. This time we're going to use the stats. We don't have the data. We don't have the 1,006 entries. So stat, test, T interval. This time we have the stats, not the data. X bar was 13.4, S of X 16.6, sample size 1,006, confidence level 99. There we go. And that gives us our interval of 12.049 to 14.751. Step 4 is to interpret your interval. So you say we are 99% confident that the true average or mean number of books read is between, we're talking books, so let's round, 12 and 15 books.